Well, let's take one case in point. As you come to understand organic IT, right? As you understand just even that area of the asset piece, you get a list of the organic systems that they're doing, the online systems, their line of business apps that are in the cloud. As you see that, you should start being able to identify maybe moments of consolidation that would save the client money. You could certainly find and identify areas of identity management where those systems can be linked together under a common identity, which will make it easier for employees to access and make it easier to onboard and offboard employees in that organization. As you understand organic IT as a part of asset discovery, that should yield opportunities for additional projects or additional revenue potentially on monthly revenue opportunity for identity as a service, right? It could open up these opportunities to basically help again drive better solutions for them, maybe through the Office 365 stack. Office 365 now has so many tools in it. Surprising, even in my own organization, how many tools we use that we've brought in over the years that could probably be replaced by the 365 stack that we already pay for, right? So there's opportunities for cost savings, again, opportunities for better security through identity management, and just a better understanding of what you have to link to down the road, especially as things are open up with AI or Power BI or analytics, things like that. Knowing what they have available to them opens up more opportunities.